Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, I'm Navneet. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my review and the swatches of the newly launched Swiss Beauty Hold Me Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now, Swiss Beauty has launched these lipsticks in 30 different shades. 30. And I was so amazed at how amazing the collection was. It was so difficult for me to choose the shades because those were so beautiful, those looked so beautiful. After a lot of thinking, I got my hands on these 6 shades. So out of the 30, I have 6 shades which I will be swatching for you. साथ साथ ही मैं आपको इसके packaging, इसकी formula, everything we are going to discuss in the video. So without further ado, let's start with today's video. First of all, let's talk about the price. So these lipsticks are priced at rupees 429 and you get 4.5 ml product in each lipstick. Outer box is a cardboard box. As you can see, these are all color coded right here and the name of the lipsticks are mentioned right here on the cardboard box. Along with that, the outer packaging mentions everything about the lipstick that you need to know. It mentions the ingredients, the expiry, the price, everything is mentioned. Along with that, these lipsticks also are cruelty free, vegan and PETA approved. And this is how the inner packaging looks like. It's so pretty, guys. It has a mirror finish, like you can actually see your reflection here, but any which ways it mentions Swiss Beauty here. It's a transparent bottom wherein you can see the shades clearly, and on the back it mentions Hold Me Matte Lipsticks, and the bottom the name of the lipsticks are mentioned on a sticker. And this side mentions the expiry as well, which is printed on the tube itself. Now let's talk about the applicator tip. Now this is how the applicator tip looks, and this basically has a teardrop like applicator tip which has a very precise fine tip which makes it super easy for you to apply and give your lips shape before you fill in your lips with the formula. So applicator tip is pretty good and very precise as well. Now talking about the formula of these lipsticks, the formula is very lightweight and it goes on very smooth. It's very pigmented, as you can see, and it's no chappiness, no drying patches or anything. It goes on very smooth and creamy, but it dries down to a completely matte finish. Now the formula, as you've already seen, it's very lightweight, it's feather light, goes on creamy and sets to a matte finish, and it is also enriched with avocado oil. Now avocado oil makes it very nourishing and very moisturizing to your lips. Even if you eat, drink, sleep, party, or even if you bathe with these lipsticks on, it's going to stay. I've not tried them for 12 hours, which the company claims, like 12 hours straight. It says that it's not going to budge, but I have tried it for 6 to 8 hours and trust me, it did not budge. It did not transfer. It's transfer proof, budge proof, smudge proof, water resistant, and also it's super duper long lasting. So you can definitely check these out. And for rupees 429, I guess it's a steal deal. 429 में 4.5 ml आपको formula मिल रहा है, and इतना अच्छा a lightweight feather light lipstick मिल रहा है, बहुत ही comfortable formula मिल रहा है, that too matte formula. And plus, considering it's an Indian brand, I'm always inclined towards Indian brands. I have a soft corner for Indian brands and I'm super proud to see Indian brands coming up with such beautiful, amazing formulas, and the price range, plus it's super affordable. So I am super impressed, and not to forget that the pigmentation is bomb pigmentation, and one swipe is enough to get your full pout prepared to go anywhere. Talking about the fragrance, they do have a slight fragrance which does not linger on. It fades as and when you are putting the lipstick on. So by the point it dries, it's like gone. Initially it does have a slight fragrance which does not bother me at all. So yes, that was my teeny mini review, and that being said, let's quickly jump to the swatches now and enjoy the swatches. So the first shade I'm going to swatch for you is 04 Squeeze Me Pink. This is a swatch right here, so let me put this on my lips right now. you've seen, I applied this lipstick in one single dunk. I did not put my applicator tip twice in this tube, so it's pretty pigmented. The formula goes on super smooth, and look at how pigmented, how beautiful it looks. And this is Squeeze Me Pink for You. Now this particular shade is like a dusty rose color, very pretty, very pretty, can be easily worn for a nude pink color on duskier skin tones. For me, it's like a beautiful dusty rose on my skin tone, which I absolutely love. Taking it off is also not easy. It's not going to just come off with water alone. It's very difficult. I have applied a little bit oil, and that is why it comes off comparatively easy. Not that easy though. And also you saw it is completely waterproof as well, so how about that. Next shade we have is called Lusty Rusty. Talking about Lusty Rusty, this one is a beautiful brown terracotta shade. It's a brown with hints of orange and looks so pretty. A very beautiful terracotta shade, and absolutely love how it looks. It's not loud, it's very subtle hints of orange, which is completely that can be worn for your office, college, school, anywhere you want to, and it is not very loud, which is exactly how I like it. Next shade we have is 1-4 Intensely Pink. Now Intensely Pink is a very beautiful pink color with hints of purple in it. It's amazing. Kind of reflects a Rani pink shade for me, and it looks so beautiful. And it's perfect for weddings, for parties, and for wearing it to any of your brunch dates with your friends or your husband or your boyfriend. It's so pretty. Next shade we have is 1-9 Berrylicious. Did you see that I applied this lipstick? This is a very dark color which tends to become patchy or go patchy when you apply it, and you have to layer it up to have an even layer on your lips. But with this, I just dunked one time and applied it on the full lips to get the full color on my upper and lower lip in just one dunk, and it's not at all patchy. It looks so pretty and so even. So yes, that is what the formula I'm talking about. It's so beautiful and goes on so beautifully on your lips without being patchy, which is absolutely love about the formula. Now this one is a pure berry shade. It's a deep berry shade. Looks so pretty, and it just brings light and charm back in your face. Another very pretty shade for your weddings and parties, because wedding season aane hi wala hai, so you need shades to put on for weddings and parties, and this is exactly what you need if you're fond of berry shades. Winters ke liye bhi it's a very pretty shade. Next shade I have is shade number 25. This is called Hold Me Darling. What a beautiful name. Hold Me Darling is a very beautiful red with very slight hints of blue in it. It's like a bluish red, but not exactly lots of blue, more towards a true red color, but looks so pretty. Perfect for date nights and movie nights, and considering it's such a pretty red, you can easily wear it to weddings as well. Now the last shade I have is shade number 27. It's called Bite Me Red. Now this color is a bluish red color. The previous one, as I've told you, it was a true red with very slight hints of blue, exactly like almost true red. This one is a bluish red, which is a universally flattering shade if you're looking for the red color. If you're not that fond of completely true reds, then you can give this one a try. It's universally flattering. Sorry about the changing lights though, because it's cloudy and I shoot in natural light, so lights are changing constantly. It's going to rain, but yes, it's such a beautiful color, and bluish reds, you can never go wrong with red, which is bluish hue to it. So this is exactly that. So friends, that was it. I hope you found the video helpful regarding the Swiss Beauty Hold Me Matte Liquid Lipsticks. As I've told you, these were just 6 shades. Another 24 different shades are there, which you can choose. In total 30 shades to choose from. So get your hands on them if you're looking for a perfectly matte, smudge-proof, budge-proof, transit-proof, long-lasting yet comfortable lipstick in just rupees 429. So check it out. The link to the purchase would be in the description bar. And also, if you did find the video helpful, do not forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye guys.